Okay, so let's have a look at abstract nouns versus concrete nouns. So abstract nouns refer to an idea or concept that cannot be touched and only exists in the mind. We can't touch it, and it only is in our mind. And it's a concept, an idea, a vision of something. Like liberty, to be free, freedom. Freedom. We can't really touch it, but it exists. It's a state of being. It's a concept. Gloom, like sad. It's an idea, a concept in our mind of being sad. Or sad. And agreement. Agreement. We had an agreement. I thought we had an understanding. I thought we had an understanding. Understanding. Yeah. These things, you can't really touch them. They're ideas, they're concepts. They exist in our mind, not in the real world. We could say things look gloomy, but it isn't. It could be the same building. It looks happy. It looks gloomy. Same thing. An agreement, just a handshake or on a piece of paper, so as a contract. This is a contract. This is our agreement. How cool is that? Liberty, freedom. You can't touch it, but you can experience it. You can see it. But the concept liberty exists in our mind. But the way the world is set up could be as though we interpret it as freedom. We see it as freedom. Even though it is something else. It could be just people being free, but we see it in our minds as this is freedom. This. And concrete nouns refer to a physical object in the real world. Pen, whiteboard, suspenders. Pen, whiteboard, suspenders. Cat. Makes sense. Cube. A cube, maybe a cube of ice. Or just a block, cement block, or an ice cream machine. Very specific, but it's still a concrete noun. Camera, door, wall, books, and beyond. Things we can touch, pen. Things we can feel, shirt. Things we can use, light, like here. Light. How cool is that? Language explorers. So, abstract nouns, ideas and concepts that can't be touched and in our minds only. Concrete nouns, things that are in the real world, we can touch, feel and use. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.